Hey, stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could create stunning, professional brand visuals in seconds without hiring a photographer, without expensive photo shoots, and without breaking the bank? Today I'm diving deep into Seelab, the AI image generator that's making waves on AppSumo, and I'm going to show you if it's worth your hard-earned money. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe so you never miss reviews like this. And if you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use Seelab, drop a comment below and let me know. So what exactly is Seelab? It's an AI-powered image generation platform specifically designed for businesses, marketers, and creators who need on-brand visuals without the hassle. Think of it as your personal AI photographer and designer rolled into one. The best part? You can train it to understand your specific brand style. Yes, you heard that right. You upload your product images or brand assets, and Seelab creates a custom AI model that generates images that look exactly like your brand. Let me break down what makes this tool special. First, the custom model training. This is the game changer here. Let's say you run an e-commerce store selling handmade candles. You upload photos of your candles from different angles, and in about 30 minutes, Seelab trains a custom AI model on your specific product. From that point on, every image it generates maintains perfect brand consistency. No more worrying about mismatched visuals or inconsistent product photos across your marketing materials. The platform comes with powerful editing tools built right in. There's a clean tool that works like a magic eraser, letting you remove unwanted objects or artifacts from your images. Users say this feature is incredibly reliable. Then there's the replace tool, which lets you select specific areas and tell the AI what you want to swap in. And of course, you get access to enhancement features that can upscale and refine your images. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where AppSumo really shines. There are 4 lifetime deal tiers available. Tier 1 starts at just $79. Tier 2 is $129 and gives you 1 custom model. Tier 3 is $219 with 3 custom models. And Tier 4 is $399 with 5 custom models. Compare that to monthly subscriptions that would cost you hundreds of dollars every single year, and you can see why this lifetime deal is such a steal. What can you actually create with Seelab? The possibilities are pretty impressive. You can generate product images for your e-commerce store, create social media content that matches your brand aesthetic, design custom illustrations for packaging and labels, produce lifestyle shots without hiring models, create mood boards for client presentations, design banners and headers for your website, and even generate icons and graphics for your app. Real users have reported 25% time savings in the conceptualization phase alone, but let's keep it real. No tool is perfect, and Seelab has some areas that need improvement. Some users mentioned that the website design doesn't quite reflect how powerful the tool actually is. The underlying AI models can feel a bit outdated compared to cutting-edge competitors using Flux Pro Ultra. You might encounter inconsistent results, especially with tricky elements like hands, which is a common issue with older AI models. The credit system can feel fragmented, and the platform currently lacks negative prompting features that some advanced users want for better control. However, here's what users absolutely love. As a European company, Seelab takes GDPR and data privacy seriously, which is huge for businesses handling sensitive brand assets. Your content never trains public models, it stays entirely yours. The customer support is fantastic. The founder Matthew and his team are super responsive in the AppSumo comments section, actively listening to feedback and rolling out improvements. The image quality, when it works well, is genuinely impressive, and the ability to mix different models opens up creative possibilities that keep your content fresh and inspiring. So who is Seelab perfect for? If you're a small business owner tired of expensive photo shoots, a social media manager needing consistent branded content, an e-commerce seller who needs product images at scale, a marketing agency creating visuals for multiple clients, or a graphic designer looking to speed up your workflow, then Seelab could be exactly what you need. Here's my honest take. Seelab isn't trying to compete with the absolute latest AI models like Midjourney or the newest versions of DALL-E. What it is trying to do is solve a specific problem, help businesses create consistent, on-brand visuals quickly and affordably, and at that specific task, it does a pretty solid job. The custom model training is the star feature that sets it apart from generic AI image generators. Is it perfect? No. Will it replace professional photographers for every use case? Definitely not. But for rapid content creation, social media visuals, product mockups, and brand consistency across your marketing materials, it's a powerful tool that can save you serious time and money. Plus, with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, you have 2 full months to test it out completely risk-free. If you want to check out Seelab for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below. Just look for it there, or check the first pinned comment where I'll also leave it for easy access. Remember, the AppSumo lifetime deal won't last forever. These deals typically run for a limited time, and once they're gone, you'll be stuck with monthly subscription pricing. So if this sounds like something that could transform your content creation workflow, now's the time to grab it. Alright, that's my full breakdown of Seelab. If you found this review helpful, smash that follow button and subscribe so you don't miss future tool reviews. And seriously, if you want me to create a complete tutorial showing you exactly how to set up your custom models, generate images, and use all the editing tools step by step, leave a comment below saying tutorial please, and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.